Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from BEEY1313. We would like to present about chemical hazard. And this is our group members.
My name is Onie Natasha binti Muhammad Bahari. I'm going to present about chemical hazard. Firstly, we have to know about chemical hazard. A chemical hazard is any substance that can cause a health problem when ingested or inhaled. They can be solid, liquid or gas, include toxins, dangerous chemicals, and leavings of excess chemicals used in processing product. It is very important for employees to aware for the risk they are exposed with their daily work. If the facilities and employees are recognized to the hazard, it helps reduce the chance of exposure to hazardous chemicals and the injuries they can bring.
Chemical hazard. The hazard associated with a chemical depends on what the specific chemical is, what chemical it is mixed with, if any, the relative proportion of the chemical, if it is in a mixture or the solution with another substance and the chemical.
In this part, I will explain about chemical safety symbols. The first picture are symbolized for poisonous, which means a poison that can affect people by eat it, breathe it, even on contact. Second picture is symbol of corrosive that can damage or destroy metal and irreversible damage to skin such as burns, blisters, and scarring. Third is explosive. They may explode if exposed to fire, heat, shock, and friction. Next is oxidizing chemical. It will spontaneously evolve oxygen at room temperature or with slight heating or that promote combustion. Then, this is flammable or extremely flammable. This symbolizes to flammable liquid is their ability to readily ignite and burn. And last but not least is irritant and harmful. This symbol covers a wide range of hazard with precautions such as avoid contact with the skin and do not breathe.
My name is Najihah binti Rosli, number matric B0821103573. I would like to explain about controlling chemical exposure. First, elimination and substitution. The majority of these illnesses and deaths are thought to be caused by lack of knowledge and or awareness concerning the dangers of chemicals. Second, engineering control. The implementation of engineering control is an example of another method for controlling chemical exposure. When engineer control are implemented, there is a physical change made to the work environment that will eliminate or reduce the risk to chemical exposure. Third, administrative and work practice control. This is the establishment of administrative and work practice that will reduce the amount of time and how often the workers will be exposed to the chemical hazard. Fourth, personal protective equipment, PPE. The use of PPE prevents workers from being exposed to chemical through the routes of exposure, inhalation, absorption through skin or eyes, ingestion and injection.
Personal protective equipment (PPE) selected to minimize risk to health and safety, suitable for neutral of the work and any hazard associated with the work, suitable size and fit reasonably comfortable, maintain, repair or replace to minimize the risk. The type of PPE: glove, goggle, respirator, apron, and safety boot.
Exposure to chemicals can result in harmful health effects such as headache, nausea, skin irritation, organ damage, and cancer. This effect may be short or long term, depending on the chemical toxicity as well as the level and duration of exposure. For example, some solvents may cause immediate but temporary health effects such as itch or skin irritation. Other solvents may cause chronic effects such as cancer or injury to the nervous system if the exposure is over a period of time. How chemicals enter the body? Chemicals can enter the body through several ways. First, inhalation, breathing in. 2. Absorption, through skin or eyes. Third, injection, eating or swallowing. Fourth, injection, through cuts or open wounds.
Chemicals enter the human body by different exposure routes. The main exposure routes are breathing indoor and outdoor air, eating food, drinking water, as well as uptake of chemicals through the skin due to contact with personal care products, detergents, clothes, and other consumer products. People may also be exposed at work. Once taken up by the body, chemicals can be transformed to break down products. The resulting products do not necessarily have the same properties as the original chemicals. They can be more or less dangerous to human health.
Lastly, if we carefully follow the proper safety procedure, we can help ensure a safety and healthy place.